This video is going to show you how to use the snipping tool. So just like taking a screenshot of your actual computer screen, sometimes it's more beneficial just to take a little snip or a little shot of just a portion of your screen. And I'm going to show you how to do that quickly and easily. So our objective is to take the part that you see on our screen right now, and we just want to take just a screenshot of the blue part itself, so that way we could put it into a Google document, into the green box. So the way that we're going to do that is, first I'm going to go back to my part, and then the bottom left hand side of my screen I'm going to click on the little Windows icon down here, and I'm just going to type in on my keyboard snip, and the snipping tool comes up. So click on the snipping tool and the dialog box will come, and it's kind of helpful to keep the snipping tool off of what you want to snip. So for example, if the box started off right here, I just want to move it up out of the way so I can see what I'm doing. Now to use the snipping tool, I'm just going to click on New. And when I do that, you'll notice that my entire screen kind of hazed over. And that's so it's easier to find where I'm actually going to be snipping. So now I have my cursor has turned into a crosshair, and I'm just going to left click and hold and draw a box of what I want to snip. And you'll see that things come into clarity once I'm in that snipping area. So you can see on the upper half of my snip, the blue is actually a well-defined blue, and the bottom half of my snip is still hazy, so that means it's not selected. So let's draw a window around it. And there's the snip of my my part. So up here I have a couple different options. I can create a new snip, change some different modes. I could save the snip to a file. But what I want to do is actually want to copy the snip into my clipboard. So we'll click on copy. Then I'm going to go to my Google document, click where I want to put it, and then hit Control V. And there's the snip of my document. So now if I wanted to resize it, just like any other picture, I can click on that image, and then you can resize it just like any other picture file that you would copy in.